As a teacher, you may or may not have the permissions to create new courses. In this example, we've given Thomas Webster the permission to create a new course. We don't have a student information system integration turned on, therefore he has to be able to create a new course when he needs one. However, if there is a student information system integration turned on, then those courses really should come from the SIS. Therefore, this button probably would not be there. So if you need to start a new course, the best bet is to talk to your administrator. In this example, we're going to assume that the student information system is not connected and we're just building courses or clubs or whatever. And so I'll show you how to create a new course. So in this case, I could call this the Summer Band Camp course, and I could either create a brand new course with start and end dates, or I could actually create what we call a derivative copy of a previous course. And so this allows me to mirror this course against a different one. And generally speaking, you're going to want to create a derivative child copy, which automatically adds content from the band camp to the summer camp. So a good example would be if I'm having one master math course that my professional learning community is working on, and I have 6 master teachers in math. Well, those teachers would each have a derivative child copy of the master math course, and any changes in the master math course would be echoed into all 6 copies, yet each individual teacher would have the ability to modify that course for the students they're working with. So the derivative copy is a really good way to manage your content and manage courses. So in this case, I'm going to spawn a derivative copy from this master band course. I have a start and end date. If it were a summer school, I may elect to have it run for X number of days once the student enrolls. So now that I have that information, I'm going to go ahead and say OK, and it will create a course for me. You can see it says Summer Band Course right here, and now when I click on it, I can start modifying this derivative copy. So if I came up and looked at the curriculum map, I would see that it now has detail in it, and I can continue to modify it. So again, depending upon your permissions and whether or not you have a student information system integration turned on, you may or may not have this create a course link. If you don't and you need a new course, just talk to your administrator. One additional thing to think about, in this case, if I come back into the curriculum map and I tap on the summer band camp, because I'm an author in both the master band club as well as the derivative summer band camp, I actually have permissions to edit both. So currently, you can see this says band club, currently editing master band club, which is what's recommended because then it goes across to all the derivative copies. If you remember the master math course and the 6 derivative copies that are out covering the 6 sections of math, well, if I'm an author in both of those courses, I could edit the master or I could edit just my derivative copy. And now you can see it changed to Summer Band Camp. So good thing to remember, depending upon your author enrollment permissions, you could be editing both the master course that everybody's derived copy hangs from, or you could be editing just your particular section of that master. So I hope that's helpful.